Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's D. We got a video here by the Hamilton Collection. This is Bugatti Chiron Super Sport versus the Rimac Nevera Top Speed Drag Race. 250 miles per hour, bro. That's crazy. You didn't get to see these cars going 250 miles an hour. But yeah, man, we're gonna jump right into this thing. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. This should definitely be awesome right here, seeing these cars
we are at an undisclosed
race.
location at one of the longest and widest and best tracks in the entire world, and we're going to do a 1 mile and a 2 mile full throttle to the floor race. Now this is the best pair of vehicles to ever race each other and our most expensive vlog to date, and both of these vehicles have broken some sort of speed related record.
Yo, didn't the Rimac Nevera break the world's fastest like reversing as well, bro?
Oh my God! We have two amazing professional drivers from each manufacturer, Bugatti and Rimac, piloting the vehicles that have world records of their own. Both of these are in an even playing ground too.
Oh, sweet, let's go.
Location, weather, runway, extensive.
Oh, we're going official with this one, bro. We're going official.
Conversation with each manufacturer to optimize the vehicles for U.S. performance. We'll talk a little bit more on that later. And of course, the drivers are exceptional and they know these vehicles inside and out. Of course, I want to give a huge thank you to Space Coast Testing for giving us access to this strip, Flexi Shield for providing all the PPF to keep these vehicles safe while we race them, and Michelin for giving us the best tires in the business.
All right, these are the drivers. They're bringing world record holder for the most consecutive donuts in a production car. Oh wow. Bugatti's U.S. test driver. Holds 20 plus other world records for acceleration. Wow. World record holder for the fastest speed driving in. Oh yeah, I just mentioned that. Speed driving in reverse. Rimac's test driver. Let's go. Let's go, man. We got it official. Oh. Alright, here's some of the specs. Yeah, world record holder at top speed, 304 miles per hour. Still can't believe that. Insane. $4.2 million. Dang, the Rimac's cheaper. 2.5 million. 26 different speed related world records. 26, bro.
It is super important for us to put these two cars on a level playing field. First, both have a brand new set of Michelin tires. The drivers each requested specific Michelins that are commonly available, which you could purchase at Fitment Industries or custom offsets for your SUVs, cars, or trucks. Side note, nearly every hypercar in the collection comes factory with Michelin tires, which is a testimony to what a great tire they build. Next, the Rimac has a completely full charge, and Jamie from Bugatti requested 104 octane fuel, so we found plenty of places locally that offer that, and we filled it up. Both vehicles have a launch mode, so both drivers will be using launch mode. It is a literal even playing field, so we truly know which one is the fastest.
Oh, this is going to be good.
Also, huge thanks to McLaren Orlando for taking exceptional care of us preparing for this top speed run.
The drivers warned us that once the cars pass the finish line, it's going to be the loudest thing we ever heard. So of course we have to go to the finish line. I just want to hear these things, the loudness.
Bruh,
I'm so excited.
the freaking Rimac sounds like a space shuttle lifting off, bro. Like literally.
Any second now.
I would love to hear that thing in person.
This is the most excited I've been for any moment in the entire of the Hamilton collection.
So much money invested in this too.
Money, 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 money.
This will be the first time I see my cars passing up without me in them. They're gonna go balls to the wall, full mile, probably well over 200 miles an hour. $6.5 million at stake here, but these guys are professionals, so.
Dude, I can't wait to hear them. Yeah. They're gonna sound crazy.
It's gonna be insane.
I'm so excited.
It's gonna be insane. Remember the Rimac at the RC? We did the Rimac versus the RC, and it was crazy. But this is longer than that was.
Way longer.
That's what she said.
So much planning into this. Like, I literally cannot believe that it's happening right now.
Something's gonna happen.
Facts.
Round one.
All right, here we go. Let's go. We haven't heard a word from the freaking professional drivers. These guys are on mute. Oh, the Bugatti bogged? What the? That was lame. What the hell? At least we get to see the Rimac lift off, man. Literally lift off. Like, that thing just...
I don't know which one's on the left, but it got a big jump. Did they not even start the right one?
The Nevera looks like
crap.
it just killed the one on the right.
What happened? Launch mode fail?
There it is. Dang. Oh, Bugatti's, he's not even going, bro. Yeah, he's just gonna chill. Whatever.
Dude.
That's... Oh my god.
Dang,
There goes 50%
bro.
battery.
I bet he's trying to go for top speed over there.
250 miles an hour.
All right, false start, but the Rimac was insane.
Dude,
oh
that
my god.
Wow.
that's crazy.
Oh my god, that's so freaking... Whoa!
Okay.
Holy god! It was a false start, but I can't wait until the real thing because that Rimac was nuts.
My question is, how do people go from having like nothing, like a piece of paper, to making that? Like, how do you make something that does that?
Engineering, my boy. Big brain engineering.
Round 1.
Alright. Now this should be official for sure. Hopefully the launch control doesn't fail and we are good. And that Rimac is out of here, bro. Gone. Yo. Look at that thing just gap the Bugatti though. Like, that's so crazy. 4 electric motors. 4 electric motors. Putting power to the ground, dude. These guys' expression is just regular, bro. I'll be losing my shit in there. They're just in there like...
From here, it looks like the Rimac is destroying
it's killing it.
Wow. Oh my god, it destroyed it. I mean, they're
That's
both
crazy.
stupid fast.
Look at the Rimac from the POV of the Bugattis. Look at the Rimac from Bugatti's POV. It just shoots in front of it, dude. That's so crazy. That's so crazy, bro. 200. Dang. 230. Woo. That's so fast, bro. Sheesh.
If you guys couldn't tell by me looking like I just got out of the shower, it's like 100 degrees here. 100% humidity. I'm like dying right now.
Yeah, that's Florida. That's how Florida rolls right there. All that humidity. Oh, some wheel spin? Dang, W16 sounds amazing. You hear that thing just roll. It seemed like the Bugatti struggled to get some traction. That Rimac just does it so easy, bro. The Rimac makes it look easy. That car is made for this, man. Jeez. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at the gap. There ain't no car that's beating that. Unless you got like a super modded out freaking
I think I see him. I see him. I see him.
McLaren or something.
It's a like an air. Wow, dude.
Yeah, he's gone.
gosh.
He's gone.
Oh my god! Dude, if they went 3 miles, the Bugatti was going so much faster.
Oh, he would have caught him for sure.
Bro, they're
Really?
like, dude.
What? I didn't even notice. Hold on. I didn't even notice. They said the Bugatti was reeling them in. Oh yeah.
I see him.
Oh no. It's like an air. Wow, dude. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, oh yeah.
The Bugatti was going so much faster.
Oh, he would
That
have caught
Bugatti
him for
was
sure.
gaining them.
Bro, they're like, dude.
That's insane. That was the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That's crazy.
That is insane. Dude, I wonder how fast they went. That had to have been like 240 maybe?
About to find out right now. That Bugatti was gaining him though. Near the end, that was crazy. Look at the Bugatti. It's catching up. Wow. Ooh. It's a good thing they're on this long ass runway. Sheesh. No parachute or nothing, bro.
Thanks so much for watching. We just beat the weather. Be sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button.
Yes. That was a good video right there. Yeah, that's it for the video, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed. If y'all did enjoy, please make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna leave a link to the video in my description. And I hope you guys have a good and blessed day, man. Peace out.